And here we go. Camera. And okay. And the music tag is gonna be right here. Okay. So regarding the last state of the game, I wanted to refactor a few things, which I did. I did off camera, so we're good with that. And I started working on the implementation of the next feature, which is like experience for both players and towns and stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna try to do this slightly. Yeah. Probably not very aligned. No, that's actually okay. Oh, righty. So, we have this new service which is probably usable. So I want to make sure that we can have like a command, probably. Well, I can either go from the command up to the dice, or from the dice down to the command. Same, I guess. I will actually I will not start the old version of the game because there's quite a new feature in it. So here, actually I started. Okay, so I started with this. Is there a namespace? Probably, yes. We're gonna have add experience. Yeah. Player ID amount and we need like a skill name. The actual execution is gonna be experience service. Create player experience. Yep. So here that's the player idea, which is probably not ideal. Wondering if I could like refactor this to use the player instead. Actually, it could be like create experience. Now in here we could get the player. I just want to make sure that this guy has access to the player, not the player idea. Comments, current comment. So it's like the player in there? Yeah. And it is a player idea. Okay. So it wasn't very wise to use the player and not the player ID, so I'm gonna change this. Okay. All right. So, we said experience service, create player experience, a player ID, the amount. Actually, we need a skill name first. Okay, good. And the way I want it to work is that it's always going to be both the player and the town. So here we have like experience service. Create town experience, sure. So skill name again and amount. Okay. Get a notification message. Okay. So here we want... Ah. We could have like the skill name. What if I say experience service, get player experience? Looks good. And yeah, we need the amount and the skill name. So that's for the command. Now, I think I just need to make the faces that create this. Interesting, we have using Godot, but we don't use Godot. And here we use Godot. Oh. That's confusing. Okay, so this face here, probably I should change the name, so it's not really like Sodu experience face, but it is like create experience face. Okay, so we have a texture long for the amount and probably a string for the skill name. There we go. So getting the command is a new create experience command with the player ID. Wait a second. No, just okay. Skill name. And amount. Okay, that's something that looks correct. I think I'll fetch the soldier die. The soldier die 1. It would be like adding a new one. Faces, add new create experience face. So we need soldier. Let's say 5 XP and a texture path. Let's grab this. Here we're gonna copy the UID. I think I want this 3 times, like... Could it be possible to not send in the actual texture path, but I mean, not the texture path, but the actual texture? Oh, I'm not sure. I guess we can test this. Let's see. Okay, so the app is running. That's a good step 1. Okay, so rolling works with this one. Good. Now if I say roll soldier, player doesn't own all the dice. Ah, that's interesting. So I can't test rolling soldier die yet. But I can roll vagrant. Yes. This is fine. App's still working. Buying the dice. Ooh. Okay. I think we're gonna need a purchase service probably. Let's have a purchase service. There we go. I think I'm gonna start with a simple purchase die command. Yes. Let's see the command interpreter. if the comment begins with rule, okay. Now we can make a check that if split string begins with purchase, I think I can think about having other classes like purchase comment. Like a new class. Actually, it's not really purchase comment, but more like comments. So let's say we have a purchase comment into. Not sure. Kind of improvising here. Nah, I don't know, I don't feel like it. But oh. What? Interpret. So we have like the player in the split string. And this is exactly what we're doing. I guess it's a switch. Like, we want to make sure we have only one word. So if split string length is equal to 2, let's make it different. So we want to break command. Oh yeah. So split string 1. Suitable. Am I typing this thing correctly? And here we basically want to try to purchase earlier. Like purchase service. So it would be nice to have like the player and string die name. Eventually we could go even simpler by just saying not switch but send all this and let it do the magic. Okay, so first thing, I think I have dice list. So number first, number one, first thing, I want to check that the die exists. And if not, I'm having the player that display name would be nice. Alright. The second thing I want to check is if the player already owns the dice. So I don't know if I have something for this. Like uh-huh. Kind of want to make sure that the player has the dice, but does that exist? I'm quite surprised that right here I don't have it. Maybe in the comment interpreter? Oh, maybe not. Maybe in this create simple rule. Check player owning dice. Okay, so we check here. I guess it's just a simple, yeah, that's what I can reproduce. Where was I? Probably here. So here we have like player. So here it's like the opposite, like it's if it is already owned. Okay. So returning. Now we kind of want to see if we have like purchase conditions. So I think I will have to create a new. I have purchase service, okay, and here let's go with a dice purchase condition. And let's create a purchase condition model. It could even go in models. Yeah, no, I don't know. Okay, I will leave it. So here I'm basically I want to check two things. That and there's like a cost, so that would be like public long currency cost, currency, and then we would have a list of experience. So we need another model. That would be like experience stack. Okay, so experience stack. Alright, so we have experience stack, and then here we have a public list of experience stack. Okay. So two models, and now the actual dice purchase conditions. So it's going to be public static class. There we go. So the first one's gonna be Soldier. And we have a new purchase condition. Let's say that it costs, I don't know. Let's go with 50. And then we have a new list of experience stack. So new experience stack. Actually it's 0. Like it's an empty list. Because we don't need like experience soldier to buy the soldier. Makes sense. We can just go with the new list. Okay. Now we want to check that we meet the conditions. So if player currency is inferior to, let's make conditions. Chase condition. If the player currency is inferior to the conditions that currency. Not enough currency. Okay, that seems fair. And now we want to check that we have enough experience. So so if the player experience is inferior to the stack amount, we do break, we do return, we do notification. Actually, it's not a break, it's just return. Okay, good. Not enough experience. Okay, so I guess that if we pass all this, it's okay. So do we have like a currency controller consume? No? Do we have consume? No. I guess I can. That's a little bit messy, but... maybe I should. I will add the consume method. So I guess we just like play a currency minus equal amount. And that's it. Okay, so we remove the currency and we add the die. And eventually we could add a little notification. Okay, that's getting quite long. I might... So here we have like player ID. New balance. There we go. So we add the dice. We send a notification. And we're good. So I guess we can test this. Eventually we want to save. Alright, let's see if I'm in. Okay, I'm in. So we're gonna purchase... You have purchased the soldier you die, new balance 75. Okay. Player doesn't own all the dice. Okay, so is it because it was soldier 1? And all this time it should have been soldier 1. I think so. Yes. Okay, so I think I need to find a way to fix this. So when we purchase the dice right here, I want to make sure that die name is equal to dice list dice die name dot name. So this way, like, if there's different names possible, it's gonna give us the actual dice name. Well, I'm actually also curious to see what the save by looks like now. I want to see the save by updating. Should have Sable somewhere? Okay, it didn't save anyway, so... Okay, let's see. Am I in? Yes. Do I want to purchase Soldier? Debugger? Soldier die was not present in the dictionary. So is it because I have to load it? Like, I think the dice list was wrong. I noticed something odd and I didn't... Yes, it is a type of. So eventually I could create new methods, right? Like public static boolean like has like die exists. So here we take a string die name. So if the dice as the key, and then public static get die. So here we want to return activator.create instance. Seems fair. Okay, so back to the purchase service. Now we can use the method, like if not dice list dot die exists. Otherwise, die name is dice list get die die name. So that should work now. All right, let's see. Are we in? Oh, we're not. Actually, oh wow. So debugger again. The given key soldier 1 was not present in the dictionary? How comes? Oh, is it like in yeah. It's right here. I see. I might be on cooldown, yes, but just checking. We are in. So you have purchased the soldier 1 die. New balance 95. So now can I roll soldier? Yes. Ooh. And we're having an error. The given key was not present in a dictionary. Is that so? Is it like a giving... it could be in the command execution. Like dice commands. Create experience. I want to create experience, player ID, skill name, amount. Okay. Yeah, it's a skill name. Okay, I'm slightly confused. Skill name, amount. Okay, so that's good. System given key. So I guess that's my YouTube key. And that wasn't found in the dictionary. Process level. Process get player experience. Experience, is that here? Get player experience string. Like string skill name. Oh, that's wrong. Like get town experience? And here? And why is it even used? Oh, right here. Okay. And skill name? Okay. I think I got it. Mm-hmm. So I need to purchase again, I think. Yes. Gain soldier experience. Okay, okay. So this works. Now... this works fine. Actually, I want to check the tasks a little bit. So here, like, we have kind of dice player thing. Create a purchase system. So this is pretty much done. Here we had like create a new dice. Yeah, create a new dice to purchase. Yeah, this is done. Now, there's like a refactoring I want to do regarding dice. And I'm gonna say that we're gonna have a new tag purchase. Here I want to increase die costs based on already owned dice, if that makes sense. So I'm not very sure how this is gonna happen. I'm not so sure. Maybe not increase the price. No, I'm gonna remove that. Something I want to add at some point is the GUI player display player dice in the leaderboard. That's quite important. How? I could do this with like a static kind of thing. I kind of have to decide if this is like going into... I mean, am I wrapping up the 0.3? I could wrap up the 0.3 like this. And then the next version is going to be focusing on creating more dice. To start with. Okay. Export task lists. Okay. So we're gonna save everything. And I think I will add an icon to this. Okay, so it's close. So here we have like the purchase system. Sold you die. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's merge this into master.